10 foods that prevent heart attack and stroke. While genetics play a big role in the risk for heart attack and stroke, what you eat also has a lot to do with it. It's not just about avoiding foods known to be bad for you, it's also about filling your diet with foods that support cardiovascular health. Here are 10 foods that prevent heart attack and stroke. 1. Avocados. Avocados are a superfood because of its heart-healthy fat content. However, studies show that its health benefits are due to more than its fatty acid profile. It is also rich in potassium, which, according to a study published by the Current Hypertension Reports in 2011, is linked to a 15% lower risk of stroke and 11% lower risk of heart attack. 2. Chocolate. Chocolate is rich in antioxidants, which are essential to cardiovascular health. In a study led by researchers from Brigham and Women's Hospital and Harvard Medical School, it was discovered that people who ate chocolate 5 to 7 times a week were 57% less likely to develop coronary heart disease than those who didn't eat chocolate at all. To get the highest benefits, choose good quality dark chocolate brands composed of at least 70% cocoa. Otherwise, you may be doing more harm than good. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to be good for the heart. In fact, in a 2010 study led by researchers from the University of Iceland, participants who were made to eat salmon thrice a week experienced a lowering of diastolic blood pressure in just 8 weeks. By lowering your blood pressure, you are also effectively lowering your risk for cardiovascular diseases. Among the best choices for fatty fish are salmon and sardines. 4. Garlic. Garlic has been a staple of naturopathic medicine because of its various medicinal properties. For cardiovascular health specifically, it is especially potent because it can reduce blood pressure. A study published by the Pakistan Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences in 2013 showed that when taken daily, garlic extract at 600 to 1,500 milligrams is just as effective at lowering blood pressure as common prescription drugs. 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens have been proven to provide some health benefits, including the prevention of heart attack and stroke. In a study published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2011, researchers observed the effect of leafy vegetables to the health of almost 30,000 women. The 5-year study showed that leafy vegetables indeed play a significant role in reducing the risk of coronary heart disease. Among the best choices are dark, leafy greens like spinach and kale. 6. Legumes. Legumes are great because they are filling, yet they rank low in the glycemic index. This is because they are dense in resistant starches. In a study published by the Archives of Internal Medicine in 2012, researchers studied the effect of legume consumption to the overall health of individuals with type 2 diabetes. They found that simply adding 1 cup of legumes per day improved blood sugar levels and lowered the risk of heart disease. Some of the best choices for legumes are beans and chickpeas. 7. Nuts. Nuts are rich in good fats, as well as essential minerals like magnesium, copper, and manganese. In a review published by BMC Medicine in 2016, researchers concluded that nuts are indeed beneficial to reducing the risk for a variety of illnesses, including cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Especially nutritious ones like walnuts, almonds, and cashews. 8. Flax seeds. Like fatty fish, seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. They also contain a variety of other beneficial materials that help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and enhance overall cardiovascular health. In a study published by the Hypertension Journal in 2013, researchers observed the effects of flax seeds in hypertensive patients. They found that flax seeds are indeed useful in lowering blood pressure, and, therefore, in boosting heart health. Apart from flax seeds, chia and hemp seeds are also incredibly nutritious. 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are known for their high lipocene content, which is what makes it so beneficial for heart health. In a review published by Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition in 2017, researchers found that an increase in consumption of lipocene lowers the risk of stroke by 26% and cardiovascular diseases by 14%. The same benefits can be gained from fresh tomatoes and tomato products like tomato sauce or tomato paste. 10. Whole grains. Whole grains have long been known to help lower cholesterol, and multiple studies have shown that it also helps reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. In 2002, the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a review that supported these claims. The sole researcher from the University of Sydney's Biochemistry Department supported the claims that cereal grains reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Among the best choices are oatmeal and oat bran. These 10 foods that prevent heart attack and stroke are common and inexpensive. You'll find most of them in a typical grocery store, and they're all easy to incorporate in your diet. There really should be no excuse in not eating healthier foods that are easy to find and can minimize your risk of heart attack and stroke. Following are references for the studies listed in the video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.